Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You have the essentials ready: power, security, and core apps. First, plug in and charge to at least 50% so you won't interrupt setup. Next, enable lock screen and cloud backup. This protects data and saves time later. Install a browser, Note app, Maps, and one messaging app for contact. Once done, open settings and turn on auto brightness and notifications for essentials only so you stay focused. These steps get you from box to usable in minutes. Now customize how you interact with the device so every tap is useful. Create 3 folders on your home screen: Communication, Tools, Daily, and move top apps there. This reduces time hunting. Then set a Do Not Disturb window for focused hours and mark 3-5 important contacts as favorites so calls or alerts bypass silence. Add useful widgets like calendar, shortcuts, and battery percent for glanceable info. Make sure to test one typical task end-to-end. Finalize by automating maintenance so your setup stays useful without thinking. Turn on automatic OS and app updates and schedule cloud backups daily or weekly. This prevents data loss and keeps features current. Review app permissions and allow only what's necessary to protect privacy and performance. If you encounter slow apps or crashes, restart the device first. If problems persist, clear the app cache or reinstall that app. One key tip: a quick restart resolves most issues and restores expected behavior.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.